come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a decorate with me video. I'm going to decorate my Easter tablescape. I hope you enjoy.
Shine like gold until winter comes. Until winter comes.
I'm going to start by decorating my table first of all with these beautiful gold glitter chargers, guys, that I picked up a couple of years ago at Kmart Australia. I'm then going to add this beautiful rustic gold bunny table runner that I picked up from TK Maxx.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?
I then added these beautiful pink flower plates that I picked up a few years ago from Early Settler Furniture. I'm then going to add this beautiful Easter garland that I picked up from Target this year, and I'm going to run it down the centre of the table runner. Now I wanted to add some more glam to my tablescape, so I started by using these beautiful glam candlesticks that I picked up from TK Maxx, and I'm going to add them to the left hand side.
Wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to.
Now to the top of my candlesticks, I decided to use these beautiful pink bunnies that I picked up from Kmart. At the opposite end, I used this beautiful gold glitter vase that's also from TK Maxx.
Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go.
I then added this gorgeous gold glitter bunny to the centre, as well as this beautiful Easter sign, which is from Bed Bath & Table.
Driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you.
I then added these adorable little bunny gnomes that I picked up from Kmart. I then added these beautiful gold glitter napkins to the plates. As well as these adorable gold bunnies from Kmart that I placed in the centre. Now guys, I only had 4 of those gold glitter napkins, so I used 2 spare ones that I had in polka dots, and I also added 2 candles that I lighted on the table. And here is my Glam glitter tablescape, guys. I'm so happy with how this came. It's a touch of rustic with a lot of sparkle, just the way Chelles loves it. Guys, with really uncertain times throughout the world at the moment, I hope you are all safe and well, and I hope my little video is bringing some sunshine to your day.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna
Guys, while we're self-isolating, make the most of this time. Make the most to share memories with family members. It's so important to stop sometimes. Life can be so crazy, and it's certainly a good idea to sometimes put away the phone. I know you're probably watching this video on an iPad or a mobile at the moment, but seeing so much social media about the scary things that are going on in the world, sometimes it's the little things like I did here. I spent the whole day, guys, here thinking about everything that's going on in the world, but I needed something to take my mind off it. Here I put together this tablescape for you, and it brought me joy. So find things while we're isolated to do things that really bring joy to your heart.
nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome here in Australia. I would love for you guys to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Share this video as many times as you can, and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of Chellesglamhome family.
You keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your Easter tablescape.
Along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be.
So until next time, my friends, please stay safe. Know that Chelles loves you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.